And here comes the rain. And more wind. My little pear tree is taking a beating out there. Woo, you can see the wind whipping off of the top of these roofs. It is coming down. Coming down hard. Whew, we need the rain, but man, what a storm. This is unreal. The rain is just coming down in sheets and blowing up off of the roofs as soon as it hits. Wow.